My name is Shem Isaac, and I'm the president of Home Living Window Fashions. Well, we believe that your home should be one of your favorite places on earth. And everything we do at Home Living Window Fashions is to help make that a reality through plantation shutters, custom drapery, motorized shades, awnings, outdoor shades, and other products that help you enjoy your own living environment. We have processes and systems in our company that are designed to find out what the customer's needs are and then communicate that throughout the entire process. One of the things that we hear from our clients over and over again is how impressed they are with how we keep in touch after the installation is done. We're not just moving on to the next customer. We make sure that they're satisfied with regular follow-up calls, and we do a good job of keeping in touch with our customers after the whole process is complete. So at Home Living Window Fashions, every installation is led by a journeyman installer. That means they have to have at least 4 years of experience in our specific trade. They need to have demonstrated a proficiency in all of the products that they will be installing or supervising the installation. They have to demonstrate a leadership capacity to lead a crew in the accomplishment of that objective, which is that high standard of installation. My wife and I have been in this industry for over 17 years. And we've worn a lot of hats. We owned our own company and we were managers at other companies. So we launched Home Living Window Fashions August 16th of 2019. And we grew very aggressively, and in March of 2020 we launched the outdoors division and added the awnings and the outdoor shades. We have many fine competitors. I think what you're going to look at is, do you have access to the owner? That's something to consider. And every single customer has my cell phone number. Every single person in our company is trained by me, and a big one is we do not subcontract anything. All of the work that we do is done by our employees. Every employee in our company that will come to your home, every designer, every installer, installation assistant, if they're going to come onto your property, they have been background checked. And that's for the safety of the customer. So you've probably heard me say that we believe that your home should be one of your favorite places on earth. And everything we do at Home Living Window Fashions is to help make that a reality. If you believe like we believe, we hope you'll give us a call. We offer a complimentary design consultation. We'll come out to your home. We'll take good care of you. I hope to meet you soon.